Brooke, Christina. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing another haul video with a online company. You guys really seemed to enjoy my last haul video with Fairy Season, and today I'm coming to you with a different brand. They are called pinkclassy.com. They are sending me these pieces for free. However, I'm not being paid to talk about their items, so I'm giving you guys my honest opinion. But I did kind of want to do this video a little bit differently than I did with my last one. I will be showing you guys the items on my body once I receive them in the mail, but I thought it would be kind of cool to go on the website with you guys today and pick out the items together. If you guys know the YouTuber Patricia Bright, then you may see that she does these kind of haul videos all the time, and I like switching up my haul videos because I feel like a haul can be like super simple and basic and kind of get a little repetitive and boring, and so, you know, I always just want to do something new. So if you guys like this style of haul, definitely let me know down in the comments, and let's dive into the website and find all the goodies. Alrighty, so first looking at the website, it does kind of remind me a little bit of Fairy Season, but I feel like all of these companies are slightly similar. So I'm gonna start off by going to their new section just to see like the new arrivals and like I guess the hotter items. Right away I see some really cute bathing suits. This one is adorable. I think I'm gonna do my best to steer away from bathing suits today because I feel like I definitely get carried away with bathing suits. I will definitely say right off the bat, they have a ton of graphics, which I've been really into lately, so I might just pick up a couple. These are like cute. They're kind of like vintagey. I love the texts of them, and they're like, I'm just into it, you know? This could be cute. Ooh, the back detail. Ooh, that is super cute. I'm not crazy about the colors though, but the back is really pretty. Oh, that would be really cute for like date night. Got a little back action. I'm definitely seeing some shoes here. These are super like fun and edgy. I feel like this would be a really great website to try out some trendier pieces that like you don't want to splurge on. I feel like they have a great selection for that. This top is kind of really pretty. I love the way she styled it, like tucked into jeans. That's totally amazing. Ooh, okay, this is totally me. Oh my god, and they have multiple colors. Okay, I need the white one for sure. Added to the cart. They also have size charts on this website, which is amazing. I just feel like I do everything I can to avoid those because I want to figure it out myself, you know? This could be fun, actually. A little crop top action. Ooh, and it's a tie up in the front. Cute. Ooh, got some fun heel action over here. Fun. More bikinis. I think if I were to get a bikini, it would be a black one. Oh, shut up. These are cute. Oh my god. Okay. Love. These are like little overall romper, and I feel like I've wanted something this for a long time now, and they have two colors. Do I get both colors? I think I'm gonna add both colors to my cart for now. Cool. Moving on. I'm excited now. I really like these kind of websites because I feel like they do have so much option of like different styles and stuff like that. These are fun little shoes. Ooh. Those could be really cute. That would be super cute for like a little day date, like a brunch thing. Into it. That's a cute jumpsuit. Is that what they're called? Jumpsuit romper. I like how she styled it with the bag. I feel like there's not enough pictures for me to get like a good understanding of what it looks like. But we'll see. You guys don't know what I'm actually gonna get yet. Also, a great thing about this website that I've noticed, there is a bunch of plus size stuff, and the plus size stuff is cute. Like, I've definitely seen some stuff so far that's plus size that I wish came in my size because I would totally order it. But I love that they have the option for my plus size girls out there because you guys deserve cute clothes too, and I hate brands that just freaking forget about you guys. It makes me so sad. Mama Bear, love. Also, I have noticed that they have a ton of like Mama Bear stuff. Ooh, okay, no, this one's cute. Sorry, I'll continue my train of thought. They have a ton of like Mama Bear and like mama kind of saying shirts. So if you are a mom out there, this website's definitely good for that. But this top is cute. I want to look at some more dresses. I want to see what they have for dresses. Oh my gosh, guys. They literally have the dress that I recently just got, not that one, the red one, on Fairy Season. That's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like a lot of these websites have very similar or the same items. I wonder if this is the exact same. Like if I were to order this, if it would be the same one that I literally just got. You guys, do you remember that the jumpsuit I got with the flowy pants? It's blue. And I was obsessed with it, and I said if I work with fairy season again, I would definitely get it. I wonder if this website has it. If they do, I will literally scream. Okay, on the hunt for that, but also some other cute stuff. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna place that order, and whenever my package comes, I will obviously show you guys what I got. I'm very excited to give you guys the tea on this website. I have big expectations just because fairy season was so successful, and if this website is similar enough to literally have the items that I showed in that haul on this website, I'm expecting good things, so I'll let you guys know when it all comes in. All right, so it has been a few weeks since I filmed those clips that you guys just watched, but everything finally came in. I'm so excited to try these all out. I'm really hoping for the best, but you never know. So let's go try them on together and we'll see what worked, what didn't, and yeah. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start off this video super strong, and look what I found. Pretty self-explanatory jumpsuit. It goes about that long. It's got these really cute button detailing, very flattering neckline, and the back has this scrunchy bit with the bow tie. This is literally so flattering. I know jumpsuits are so trendy this summer, so I'm super happy to have this black one because I feel like it's just, like, black is just such an easy color, and this is literally such an easy outfit. Like, just toss this on with a nice pair of shoes and you're good to go, and it looks like you took so long to get ready when you actually didn't. This one's a size small. It's the same size I got in the blue one, and they fit literally the exact same. And I'm obsessed with this. Like, literally my favorite piece out of this entire haul video. So this is the next item I have in this haul, and how do we feel about this, guys? Because I'm kind of thinking it's a no. The print is just kind of granny-ish to me. I don't know, I feel like the picture was a little bit different for this one. This little bit here, which I know is hard to see from the ruffles, but it actually does undo. I can already tell this fabric is very clingy, like I feel it like stuck to my stomach, which isn't always the best, but the nice part about it is that the back has this zipper, so it's really easy to get into, and it does kind of hug me in the places I would want it to, but I'm just kind of thinking this one I might pass on, you know? Okay, so this is the next dress. I'm gonna state right now that it is super short. I'm not comfortable by any means. It literally just covers my butt. The sad part is it's really cute. I think the neckline is really pretty. These fluttery sleeves are super cute. And as you can see, I have a thing right now for button detailing. But like, it's cute. It's just the length. If it was like slightly longer, it would totally work. Maybe I just have to size up in this. But that's just something to note, that this dress is certainly short. It's this really pretty minty color, which I just think makes any tan pop. And to be honest, I feel like the neckline's not like too much. I know it's really low, but I'm just wearing a strapless bra right now. I'm not wearing any like special bra, and it's not really showing at all. I mean, I can see it, but you guys looking dead on, I don't think you can. This would be so cute this summer. Oh, why can't you just be a little bit longer? God, I can't wear a bra with this. Okay, so this dress is super cute, right? How do we feel about it? I feel like down here, there's a lot of fabric. I don't know, let me know. Like, do you guys think that's flattering? Do you think there's definitely just like too much skirt going on? Because I don't know, from the side, like, it doesn't make me look like bigger. You know what I mean? Like, it's not puffed out. Like, if it was like that, it'd be like, okay, that's a bit much. But I don't know, just looking at it from the front, I'm like, is there too much? I don't know, let me know. But anyways, so it's got this really nice bow detailing in the front, and obviously it's got this open bit. I personally am not wearing a bra with this because you would be able to see, but I do like that the keyhole here is not too open, where it would be like major boob, you know? This one's also a linen-y material, so super lightweight, super like free and fun and flirty and cute. The back has kind of like a smocked detailing going on, so it's super stretchy, which is nice, especially if you have bigger girls. But I also feel like the material is thick enough where you literally, like, you can't tell I'm braless right now. You know what I mean? There's certain dresses or tops you try to go braless and it's like, no, that's just not the look I'm going for. But this one, it's all good. I feel like I just want to like pose and hold it and be like, ooh, I'm a little girly girl. I'm so cute. All right, so these are the next item. Not the white bodysuit, but these green overalls are next. I didn't really know how to style them, so I just kind of put it on one shoulder and let the other two little straps hang, but I did tie them, so if you guys are curious, they're much longer, so they can like actually tie and be like this one. Anyways, you don't care, but these are the overalls. They're just this khaki color, and they do have some distressing at the bottom here, which I think is super cute. I know these kind of overall short romper kind of thing is very in right now. I just don't think it's the most flattering on me, or maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys think different, but I'm not crazy about these. I do like the fit of them. They definitely flatter my butt the way I want them to. They're not too tight in the front, if you know what I mean. But if I were to put this strap up, I feel like it would kind of look like an apron. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like that's just kind of weird. Unless maybe I wore a t-shirt underneath. As you can see, I just have a strapless bodysuit. So I guess I could like show you guys. I don't know. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys feel about these. They do have front pockets, which is nice. I don't really know what I'd use them for other than maybe posing for pictures. And before I forget to mention, they do have a zipper on the side here that's fully functional. So if you're someone like me where your waist is much smaller than your hips, definitely convenient, because if I were to just slip this on, I don't think it would get over my hips. So it's definitely a nice feature to have. This top is the next item. To be honest, I kind of hate it. It looks pretty at first glance. I love the high neckline. I like that it's kind of like gathered here. It just gives it an elegant look. Love the color. It's super nice against my tan, and the material is super flowy. But what on earth is this? I feel like the camera is not doing its justice by any means. But if you guys could see in person, it literally looks like I have gills coming out of my side here. Obviously, this is a part of the back detailing, which looks like this. It is really, really pretty. It's got like buttons going down it. With this one, they just tried to do too much in one top. Or maybe they just have to get rid of this part completely because it's just, I don't know, it's weird. If the wind's flapping, I'm gonna have these things coming out of me. I also do have to say, I feel like this top is a little bit big on me. As you can see, it completely shows my bra on the side. I feel like it's definitely big, even like all this material here. So maybe sizing has something to do with this. Like maybe if it was smaller, would it look nice on the right person? For sure, but maybe just not on me. So this is the next top I have to share with you guys. It says Guns and Rosé. I think this is super cute, especially because I haven't seen anything like it before. It has this choker and a little v-neck that's not too plunging, which I always appreciate, and it's so extremely soft. Like, I love the fabric. The only thing I'm super scared about is this lettering. I wish the lettering was actually in the shirt, not transferred on the shirt, because I feel like when I wash this, it's gonna get very sticky and all the lettering is just gonna stick and I'll have to peel them and it's just gonna ruin. But I don't know, I haven't tried that yet. It's just something to keep in mind if you are interested in this top. It's cute. I mean, I definitely think I'll wear it like literally exactly like this, maybe my hair in a top bun and like some hoops or something. And it's kind of one of those tops that I feel like people would have to read to be like, oh, that's cute. Because at first I feel like it just looks like it says Guns and Roses, but it's actually rosé. Okay, and we're gonna end this haul video on a high note. This bathing suit is so freaking dope. I love the way it fits me. Oh, I just like looking at this on my body right now, I'm like, yes, that is the perfect bikini for me. These bottoms are, I'd say like mid-rise. I wouldn't consider them high-rise because I definitely do have high-rise bottoms that kind of cover my belly ring. These ones go just under, which is nice. They are very high on the hip, which I think is flattering on my body. I feel like they're a good amount of coverage. Like, I wore these to the beach recently and I didn't feel like my butt was completely out, but I also didn't feel like, you know, they were completely covered. It was like the perfect amount of cheek for the beach, you know? The one thing I do have to say about this suit though is I feel like it does run a little bit small. I got it in a size medium because I am a true medium in bottoms and a small in the top. So I figured if the top's a little big, that's fine, but it actually ended up being the complete opposite. The top fits perfectly, and I feel like the bottoms still are a slight bit snug. I feel like if I were to get this suit again, I might even go up to a size large, because if the top was slightly bigger, it wouldn't bother me at all, and these bottoms, I mean, again, they'd be a little bit bigger. They wouldn't be like tugging at me like they were at the beach. But also keep in mind, when I wore these to the beach, I had them on all day, so I was wearing them for a very long period of time. They were cutting in just a tiny bit, but nothing like killer, you know what I mean? And to be fair, I was, like I said, wearing them all day, so. But how flattering. I mean, I don't get it. This top literally like makes the girls look so flattering. It does have pads, but it's got no underwiring, so I don't know, maybe that's just on me, but super cute. Love the tie detailing, super trendy this summer. Really great shape, and I love that the back is actually quite supportive as well. So if you're somebody with bigger boobs, I feel like this type of back would definitely support you, which is great. And I just love this. I definitely want to get every single color in this one because it's just so perfect, and like I'm obsessed. If this was the only thing I got out of this haul video, I would be very content. Alright you guys, so that is everything in this haul video. Let me know down below what you thought really worked and what was your favorite piece, or what you thought was a complete dud and what you just didn't like at all. I won't be offended by any of these comments at all. I definitely think my favorite is this bikini top, which yes, I still have on, or the black jumpsuit. Loved that so much. I'm gonna get so much use out of that. I'm gonna leave links to all the items I showed in this video down below, so if you guys want to shop through them, that would be great. They are affiliate links, which I do want to tell you guys about because I'm very honest when it comes to that. So if you guys do decide to shop through those links, that's perfectly fine. I don't make commission on those links whatsoever. It just helps me have a better connection, or I guess relationship, with Pink Classy, aka it'll allow me to provide more of these haul videos for you guys. So totally up to you. I will definitely say that I feel like fairy season was much more of a hit than these items, but it could just totally be the items that maybe I chose out just weren't the best. But that's why we do these haul videos, so I can show you guys the good stuff and the bad stuff, so you guys can get a better feel before actually spending your own money and purchasing them. And last thing, I just want to give a shout out to Pink Classy, obviously, for allowing me to do this video. Thank you guys so much. I know that my subscribers really love these types of videos. But anyways, that is it for me today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not subscribed to the fam, become a part of it today. It's free and we accept everybody. My hand gestures are just so weird at this point, but anyways, that's when I know like I need to just stop filming and call it a day. But anyways, love you guys. Remember, you're beautiful, you're loved, you're uniquely you, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!